I'm super excited to open the Witch's Moon box for the month of May, guys. Let's see what's in here. These boxes make my month every month, so everything's always packaged so good and things already fallen out. Ooh, we got some beautiful Book of Shadows artwork, guys, but I want to go ahead and read to you what the theme is for this month so I don't forget. Looks like I also got a tarot card for the month, guys. It's so pretty and wrapped in twine. So let's go ahead and read the theme. So the theme for this month, guys, is the Alchemist. Found within this vast magical practices and ideas, there is but a common goal: to turn energy and intentions into manifested reality, and in turn, continue our journey towards perfection and purity. Through elixirs, concoctions, herbal blends, and intense formulated intentions, we find that transformation is truly possible. The beauty that is found within this craft is often hidden within the connections that are created between the elements, spirits, and personal will. It is within these sacred ideas and practices that we create powerful and deliberate outcomes. For we are all the creators, artists, and writers. We are the witches. We are the magicians. In this very exclusive collection, we provide unique and useful tools to assist you in turning your intentions into true manifestation. It's important to always remember that your path is sacred to your individual self, and to give a little disclaimer that everyone's path is unique to themselves. Use your intuition and let your magic guide you to use these awesome tools. So I can't wait to see what's in this box, guys. It looks like I got the Legacy of Light tarot card, so I'll totally meditate with this later and see what I receive. It does look very beautiful, guys. I just love this tarot card deck. This tarot card, whatever deck it's from, is very like spiritual. I love it. It's giving me a little bit of like Native American energy, wisdom from above, little like alien galactic energy in it too. It's super neat. So these are the cool things I got, guys. This is an awesome sigil. We'll read what this is about later. I got the table of alchemical symbols. Oh, this is really cool for your Book of Shadows, guys. This looks really witchy, so magical. I just love this one. And then the other one is about the honeymoon, the June Estimbat, and full moon. So amazing. My birthday month is next month, guys, so I'm super excited. So give you guys all the close-up shots. So this is the transmutation sigil. This transmutation sigil was created specifically for this collection with the intention of exchanging the energies of transformation into your workings and practice. Placed beneath your vessel as the contents condense, mix, and become one. The sigil can also be recreated within your Book of Shadows, carved upon magical tools, or painted on talismans for transformation and success. Ego Sum, creator it Alchemist. Magical, super exciting. Ooh, I wonder what the tools are, guys. I just love how they have custom stuff made for their boxes. Their subscription boxes are amazing. I haven't told you guys yet, but be sure to check them out in the comment section and description box down below. Ooh, let's open the big box, guys. I'm excited. There's like this gold box. And what is in here? Tissue paper. Oh, this is cool, guys. So we're going to be making some potions, some elixirs. Do you guys see this? Ooh. And the thing is custom made for it, the box for the vial. Oh, I didn't even see it, guys. The pentagram is on it, too. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is very beautiful. Try not to break it. And let's see. I think there's more pieces that probably go with it. Ooh. We're going to be making some potions over here. Looks like this is another piece of it, I think. I wonder if it's kind of like a beaker or something. Looks like a potion bottle. Ooh, is this the lid? Ooh, okay guys, this looks like a little stir / the lid for the bottle. So I'm assuming this is like a cute little potion bottle. And this is the top piece. This is cool, guys, because you can leave this on your altar, on a little space where you want, and whatever oil or thing you make your potion. With this, you can like rub it on yourself, anoint yourself, Ooh, this is neat. I just love how magical this is, guys. It's so beautiful. I'll have some close-up shots so you can see that pentagram. Love it. And besides that, let's see what else is in here. It looks like there is a Litha bath salt for this month. I'm super excited, guys, with the summer solstice coming up. Let's smell it. This smells very beautiful, guys. There's lavender inside and some like solar energy. This just feels really refreshing. I should take a cleansing bath after I film this video. And looks like we also have some neat magical herbs. We have some wild cherry bark, which is amazing for some magic. We have some dead sea salt, which I don't have, and some marshmallow root. So, ooh, gonna be having some fun crafting some magic over here. And it looks like we also have a honeymoon ritual incense, guys. Incense sticks. So let's give this a little smell. I wonder what this smells like. This smells really good and calming, guys, and definitely has a summer scent to it, but it's magical, if that makes sense. It smells good. And it also looks like there's a magical potion for this month as well. I already see the symbol for the sun on it. This is the magical anointing oil, and it shows the sun symbol. Ooh, it looks like there's rosemary in there. And is there a little crystal? Yep, there's a little crystal too. This smells really refreshing, and I like the rosemary, guys. I feel like I needed a new oil to work with, so that'll totally help me clear my energy and channel that solar vibe. So I want to read to you what this little magical potion has in store. This is the Purity of Gold Magical Anointing Oil, guys. They have created this magical anointing oil with the intention of nurturing the energy of gentle perfection. As you anoint your magical tools, visualize an abundant gold light surrounding you. As the characteristics of gold, this energy is malleable and soft, purveying a sense of perfection and completion. We have enchanted this magical oil with ginger, orange, frankincense, and myrrh oils. It smells really good. No wonder there's frankincense and myrrh in here. We have also included rosemary, ground sage, herbs, and myrrh resin as well. Inside your oil, you'll find a Lemurian quartz said to personify oneness within your aura. Very neat. Ooh, I can't wait. This is going to be my favorite oil for the month of June, guys. Can't wait to use it. So a little bit about the Dead Sea salt, guys. Salt from the Dead Sea is very well known for its healing properties. Found in the Middle East, include a Dead Sea salt into your rituals for healing, cleansing, and banishing, allowing the natural elements to break down any negative or unwanted energies intended for ritual use only. Ooh, I can't wait to use that. Looks like we have a spell candle too, guys. So we have a beautiful yellow beeswax candle, guys. Total solar sun energy. Cannot wait to use this. So I'm gonna read to you guys a little bit about this magical alchemical bottle. It says, this is an exclusive hand-blown alchemical vessel with sample rod, a wonderful and vast subject. Alchemy is almost impossible to cover completely in such limited space. Found to be relevant and practical as early as the first few centuries, alchemy has been found within texts and writings from ancient Egypt, China, Africa, as well as most parts of Europe. This shrouded and hidden work is commonly disregarded as too advanced and complicated due to overwhelming amount of imagery and symbolism that is still being studied and interpreted to this day. It was a common practice for alchemists to hide the works within strange drawings, paintings, symbols, and ethereal texts. The purpose for this was to create a way to hide their secrets from the wondering eyes of competitors and critics. You may also know of the common description of alchemy as the art of turning lead or a base metal into gold, or the purest form. Many state and territorial leaders employed alchemists to continue to work towards making this scientific achievement, as it would essentially bring power and immortality to the hierarchy. Although there are stories of certain philosophers achieving this great wonder, there are even more philosophers that have been created a complex web of metaphorical and spiritual equations created to exemplify the process of taking what has been given to us and transforming it into something that is better or even perfect. That includes not only direct process of adding ingredients or mixing together, but the act of taking away or working out those elements that make the material imperfect. This great work has been referred to as the way of the philosopher, or the art. It is important to note that it may not be the direct intention to achieve perfection that is so important, but rather the continual act of working towards the goal. It is through alchemy that the great works of the world have been created, although originally a very specific process. Each alchemical symbol embodies a variety of emotions, references, and metaphors that work within the boundaries of our own personal transformation. We encourage you to incorporate the study of alchemy into your practices and perceptions. You will find great depths of knowledge and wisdom as you do so. The hand-blown alchemical vessel was created exclusively for the scribers of the Witch's Moon. Please know that this vessel was not created for chemical purposes, but rather as a practical tool for you to create elixirs that you may hold your ingredients within a metaphysical form, acting as an incubator. This practice can be as simple as charging water under the light of the moon, or allowing simple ritual ingredients to sit and communicate with each other through a calculated time period. We have included a variety of unique ingredients that you may incorporate into your creations. Wild cherry bark, marshmallow root, Dead Sea salt. It is important that you take time to document your intentions, creations, and manifestations along your journey so that your work is not forgotten. These studies will prove to assist you in future endeavors. We also recommend making this a very personal practice, not relying too drastically on outside recipes or instructions, as you will find that what works for you is commonly created by the self. Although inspired, included within the vessel is a sample rod. This is gently within the opening. This rod is simply a tool for you to extract a small amount of the contents to place upon your skin, inhale the fragrance, or anoint items with. And there's a little bit more info I'll let you guys read at the end of the video, but I love that because honestly guys, the most powerful magic is yourself, your soul, and these magical tools are just fun for us being in the human realm and samsara. And it's just so neat because just working with the divine, creating your own magic is the most powerful, and I just love the Witch's Moon. They always have such amazing subscription boxes every month. Be sure to check them out in the comment section and description box down below and let them know that I sent you guys. I'm wearing their beautiful pendant. It's a shield of Athena from their Witch's Bounty box from this month too. They have amazing subscription boxes, 3 different ones, and a magical moon market to get your metaphysical goods to help you along your spiritual journey, and some beautiful adornment as well. So be sure to give the video a thumbs up guys, subscribe, turn on those post notifications down below so you're notified for all of my future content, and like always, from heaven to earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you guys always be blessed and rejuvenated in her loving embrace, and so it is. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls. Blessed be.